The Yale Club New York Honest Review app. The pros, the cons. If you're a Yale alum or considering membership, the Yale Club New York app promises to make accessing club benefits and managing events seamless, but how well does it actually work? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming that club services are only available in person. With the app, you can RSVP for events, view upcoming lectures, book dining reservations, and even access digital membership cards right from your phone. It consolidates club information in one place, which is especially handy for busy professionals. Another advantage is networking. The app allows members to connect with fellow alumni, search for professionals by industry, and engage in special interest groups. This makes it easier to build relationships, both socially and professionally, without attending every event physically. However, there are cons. Some users report that notifications can be inconsistent and the interface may feel clunky compared to modern apps. Event updates and booking confirmations sometimes lag, which can be frustrating if you rely on real-time information. Additionally, the app is only as useful as your engagement. If you're not actively participating, many features won't add much value. In conclusion, the Yale Club New York app is a practical tool for members who want to stay connected, book services, and leverage networking opportunities. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines access to club resources, it doesn't replace the personal experience of visiting the club itself. For Yale alumni looking for a convenient way to manage memberships, events, and professional networking, the app offers solid functionality, but engagement is key to getting the most out of it.